Okay, today we will complete the tenses. Take the book. Looking in the sky and sitting. Take a book. Take the book as well as the pen. Okay now. Whatever write on the board. Yes, good. You have to take it down. Tenses. The last. Let me see 1 minute. What I write on the board is clear or not? I have to. What? There are 3 tenses are there in English. Each one is. Listen to me only. Don't write anything. There are 3 tenses in English. Each one is subdivided into 4. Thus, 4 into 3, 12 tenses are there. First one is simple present, subject plus verb plus object. Next one is present continuous, subject plus isamar plus verb plus ing plus object. Next one is present perfect, subject plus kasarava plus v3 plus object. You also listen to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. The fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. Next section is past tense. Very soon offline class will be started. You must say when you come here I will ask you. Why Manasi? 2 eyes came out immediately. Yes.
Sir, it's unsafe right now, sir. That's why.
Yeah.
Sir, it's unsafe right now, sir.
Okay. I didn't get it. Okay, see, our maybe the next tense is past tense. First one is simple past. Subject plus verb 2 plus object. Past continuous. Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing plus object. Then past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus v3 plus object. Next one is past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. Subject plus had plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. Okay. Then the rest of the part of future tense is there that we can study now. Then tomorrow we will start the chapter. Okay. Future tense. The next one is future tense. Among the future tense, in the future tense, the first one is simple. Simple future tense. I already told you, you love this tense much. You love this tense much. You know, everybody knows this tense. Kapna. I will go, sir. I will write it, sir. I will do, sir. I will call, sir. Kapna, in the school, will. Oh, cute. I will make you sit here. With will, you are very interested in telling many sentences. Right now, we can write 1 or 2 examples. I will do my work. I will do my work. Right now, right. Subject plus verb 1, subject plus, not verb 1. Subject plus shall or will plus verb 1 plus object. Subject plus shall or will plus verb 1 plus object. I will fix that mobile. I will I will fix that mobile. Fix means what? Fix. I will fix it. You know, suppose the mobile is there in your hand. So already the mobile is there. Tomorrow when you take it, it doesn't work. Don't worry. Anyway, it happens like that. If it doesn't work, what will you say? What will you say? You tell that my mobile is not working. Don't say like that. You can say, my mobile is broken. My mobile was broken. Then again we have a doubt. Broken means the breaking mark should be there. No? It was fallen down and broke it into pieces. No. Anyway, any electric machine, if it doesn't work, we can say it is broken. My fridge was broken yesterday. It doesn't mean that it has fallen down. It had a fall and cut into two pieces. It's not. If it is not working, we can say it is broken. Got it? My mobile was broken. So we can tell my mobile was broken. I am going to a mechanic to fix it. To fix it. We say that to repair it right now. Change your language. We can say my mobile was broken yesterday. I am going to a mechanic to fix it. Okay, see, I will fix that mobile. That time my friend is telling to me or telling to us, I will fix that mobile. I know how to fix it. Okay, next example will be right. What is the example? You listen. Say what example say?
I will go to walk.
I will
Go to walk.
I will go to.
I will dance.
Okay, you only write. I will dance. I will go for a walk. I will go for a walk. We can write now. Or I will wrote a song. We can write we and read. We will go for a walk. We will go for a walk. We will go for a walk. Subject plus shall or will plus verb 1 plus object. I will fix that mobile. We will go for a walk. You can make any sentence with will or shall. We can make it that is simple future tense. We can go to next. Tense. Right now, please, future continuous. Future CONTINUOUS. You may think that how many times I told it, but I will show in the offline class. This note you bring it. 60% continuous spelling will be wrong. Okay. CONTINUOUS. Future continuous tense. Did you write? Write first example. I will be taking an examination. I will be taking an examination. I will be taking an examination. You have you noticed or not? I don't know. I did not tell you that I will be writing an examination. Remember that examination always we say taking. Don't say I am writing an examination. It is wrong. Okay, purify your language. Grammar is the glamour of the language. Grammar is the glamour of the language. Grammar makes your language glamour. Hereafter you don't say, I am writing an examination. I was writing an examination. Actually, I was taking an examination. I will take an examination tomorrow. Okay, take. The word take should be used. Okay, subject plus will plus be. Will be. Okay, right now. Subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb plus ing plus object. Right now. Manasi. Next one, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Very useful tense for us. How it is useful to us now? I tell you now. With one example, I will tell you. First, you write one example. I will have completed my work. I will have completed my work. It is actually future perfect tense. How the meaning goes, I will tell you now. I will have completed my work. Did you write it? I will have completed my work. Listen to me. Same sentence. I tell you, I will have completed my work before my father came. Before my father come. Before my father come. Another example I am going to write on the board. See. I will have slept. I will have slept. I will have slept. Before my father before my father comes. I will have slept before my father comes. Will have slept. Okay. See, my father went outside, went into market or went to somewhere. Okay, think it. We are waiting for him. Now time is about 10 o'clock. We are getting sleep. We feel like sleeping. That time we say that I will have slept before my father come. Understood or not? That is the context. You can write now, I will have slept before my father comes. After that you write the past and tense. Subject plus shall or shall or not really will enough. Subject plus will plus have plus B3 plus object. I will have completed. Subject plus will plus have plus B3. You will have a doubt. You may get a doubt that after the will, has is possible or not. She will have, she will has or she will have. Remember that only future tense we use only have. Remember it. Right, like that also we can write one example. Then that doubt will not be there. Okay. She will have completed her assignment. You can write now. She will have completed. She will have. Write now, please. She will have completed her assignment enough. That much enough. She will keep a full stop there. She will have completed her assignment. She will have completed her assignment. Has should not be used there. That is the reason I told you the subject is she there. Okay now. She, I told you determinately to make you know. Word or not? Just go through one time what we studied today. Sentences I want to tell you. You write one more, that example you write it. We will have reached there before rain. It means in the future rain is there. We are on a bike. Suppose you think that. We have to travel about 7 kilometers. But rain is very, very soon. We expect that. That time we tell to our friend who sits behind us, behind me, we tell we will reach our destination. We will have reached there before the rain. Understood now? Right, next heading. Past perfect continuous tense.
Future perfect.
Future perfect continuous tense. Not past, future perfect continuous. I'm telling now. Whether you are listening to me or not. Future perfect continuous tense. CONTINUOUS. Future perfect continuous. She was laughing. How many of them make that mistake on that word? Future. What happy news I want to tell you? Happy news. Future perfect continuous tense is not at all. We are not at all using that tense in our daily conversation. Okay. If you do not study that tense also, nothing may happen. But even though, just write one example and pattern. Okay. It is not so very important because we are not at all using examination time. Normally they do not ask. But even though 12 tenses are there, we can write it. That much. One example and pattern we can write. I will have been taking the examination. I will have been taking an examination. I will have been taking an examination by this time tomorrow. By this time next year again. I will have been taking an examination by this time next year. By this time next year. Okay. This year we are telling that, we tell that next year I could be in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, or in Mangalore. There in an institution. This process was continuing in the future. Like that it is. I will be taking an examination by this time next year. Understood or not? Picture got it now? Okay. I will be taking an examination continuously. I will be taking an examination next year by this time. Okay now? Okay, see. Write the pattern there. Simply you write the pattern and keep it in your brain. Subject plus, will plus, have plus, been plus, verb plus, ing plus, object. Subject plus, will plus, have plus, been plus, verb plus, ing plus, object. Okay, look and write down. I will have been. Got it? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes. Definitely you have to study. It is wonderful. You have to make me astounded by hearing your pattern, telling pattern. Every pattern you must say very fast. How I told you like that. You have to practice that and say. Tomorrow I will come to you with a new chapter. Okay, na? Evelyn Rennie, excellent chapter, beautiful chapter. We will start tomorrow. Okay. Then it is quitting time. Tell me bye.